Finally crossing the border. First thing we did in Canada was get some A&W.
Poutine!
Then we were immediately hit with an orange wind advisory and 48-mile-per-hour gusts. It was not ideal.
Get your white knuckles.
Yeah.
Visibility was low, and we actually got pushed by the wind, which was a little scary, so we decided to stop for the night at a hotel. The wind was so strong it took off some of our paint, and our drawers flew out when we slid. Luckily, there was a really good Chinese restaurant across the street from our hotel, and the pups got some much-needed playtime.
Ah!